Alright, let's talk about factorising monic quadratics, which sounds really big and fancy, but all it means is a quadratic is something that has squared as the biggest power, and monic means that the coefficient of that term is 1, or in this case invisible because we don't write the 1. So if there's nothing in front of the x squared or whatever the letter is, m squared, p squared, then we say it's a monic quadratic. Alright, to factorise it, all we're doing is we're looking for two numbers that multiply to give me this, the last number, and add to give me the coefficient of x. So if I have a look at this particular equation or expression, it looks like 6 and 3 are going to be my numbers, because 3 times 6 is 18, 6 and 3 is 9, but to get to a negative 9, both of these need to be negatives. So negative 6 times negative 3 gives me a positive 18, all good there. Negative 6 plus negative 3 gets me to negative 9. So these are my two numbers. So all I do is I take two sets of brackets, x at the front of both of them, because I've got an x squared here, and then I put these two numbers in, x minus 6 and x minus 3. That is my solution. That's what we got over here as well. Straight into it. We've just factorized it by finding those two special numbers to give us multiply to that, add to that. I'm going to pause it, give you guys another one to work on yourselves. Alright, there's one for you guys to have a go at. Try and factorize for me y squared minus 2y minus 24. It's a monic quadratic because there's no coefficient in front of the y squared. I'm going to pause it for a moment, have a go at it. We'll come back and talk about my solution in a second. Alright, hopefully you got the same as me. Let's walk through it. I was looking for two numbers that multiply to give me negative 24, but when I add them, I get to negative 2. So I could see that 4 and 6 were going to be some of my working numbers. 4 times 6 is 24. I can use 4 and 6 to make 2, but I had to decide which was negative, which was positive. I've got, to get down to the negative 2, if I've got negative 6 plus 4, that gets me to negative 2. So that looks good. Negative 6 times 4 gives me negative 24. So they're my numbers. So my factorized solution will be y minus 6, y plus 4. Good job. Well done.